Welcome back. In this session, we're going to explore the interface of Power BI desktop. Here on the left, you can find report view. From here, you can manage all your reports. And the second one, you have a table view to open the data that you already imported. And definitely from the model, you can build the relationship and view any relationship if you imported from database like SQL or Oracle. Down there, you're going to have just single page as initially, but if you would like to add extra pages like Excel, you can add as much as you want, and you can even rename the page with different name. Not only that, on the right you can have here three sections, one section for the imported data and another one for visualization. There are a lot of pre-built report like bar chart, like pie chart and whatever. Even the card is one of my favorite. And here you're gonna have the filter option to filter based on the year or different category or whatever. And down there you have a section for the field to build your report from the data that you imported from the data. And up there you're gonna have a complete section for home. In the first part on the left in the home, it's dedicated for importing data like get data, get SQL data. As you can see, all of them is related to data part. Even it's mentioned here down there, data. And the second part is for transforming this data and cleaning or even refresh to bring or refetch the data again. And the last part here is complete section for visualization and different reports. So in the next session, we will dive to start our first report by importing an Excel and build our first report. See you there.